Haxnick's hemp planters are a new addition to the range and are the perfect solution if you want to use less plastic in the garden. Along with bamboo, hemp is one of the fastest growing plants on Earth. It was one of the first plants to be spun into usable fibre 50,000 years ago, but fell out of favour due to the rise in plastic. The pots are made from natural hemp and sewn with cotton, so they're completely plastic free. The planters come in 4 sizes and are suitable for all sorts of vegetables and fruits. You can grow anything from salads or herbs outside the back door to a large potato plant. One extra benefit is that the coarse-haired hemp fabric deters slugs and snails, saving tender plants from being nibbled in those early days when they're getting established. We're planting beans in this 30-litre planter, which can take 4 plants. Plants can be grown in hemp pots all season, or sown in them and then transplanted out into the plot. Hemp planters are particularly good if you're growing plants that are sensitive to root disturbance. Young fruit bushes and trees can be set back by several months if their roots are disturbed when they're being transferred to the ground. With hemp, you can take your cutting, grow it for a year in the pot, and then simply plant the young bush complete with the planter directly into the ground. Unlike pots made of denser material, the roots will push through the hemp very easily into the soil and the planter will biodegrade naturally. This helps the root system to establish quicker and leads to earlier fruiting. Because of the natural material, they only last for the season, after which they can be easily composted. No need to empty them, just put them straight into your compost heap. In active compost, they should completely decompose within a few months. Another better design from Haxnick's.